How to talk to strangers. I will give you 3 powerful tips to talk to anyone at any time in any places. I guarantee, even if you don't have confidence. Firstly, do you know why you cannot talk to strangers? Okay, lack of skills, lack of confidence, and the most important thing is you don't have a strong mindset. A strong mindset. That's right. When you ask someone or when I talk to somebody, and the most common sense is you just focus on yourself. Just like public speaking. If you just focus on yourself, you will be nervous, you'll be stressed, and you'll be overwhelmed. And your audience will spot it out because like your feeling, your emotion will extract all around the body and the common questions that they usually ask themselves, those are like, am I stupid when I ask this? Am I shy? Why do I ask that question? Why do I make that statement? All of the things in your head, all of the things were going on when talking to someone. It leads you to natural feelings, and they will spot it out. Just remember this. This is very, very key when you talk to someone. Don't ever focus on yourself. Never, never focus on yourself. Focusing on others instead. My message for them, is it clear? Or do we need to speak louder to let he or she hear me clearly? Is it a hard question for them? Or should I change a subject to let them feel comfortable? Just note this down. Focus on themselves, not yours. And the second thing is asking golden nugget questions. What does that mean? I guess you have already known how to ask open questions. Then now you just need to change your answer and question a bit. Okay, so after you ask his or her question, then he or she will answer the question, but they will ask you back, right? And you need to do this. Answer the question with a question. Let me give you an example. Oh, hi. I'm sorry. What kind is coffee? Oh, well, cappuccino coffee. Well, thanks. Have you tested it yet? Nah, this is my first time. Oh, okay. I hope it would be pretty good because I don't like drinking coffee a lot. I prefer drinking tea. And Anna, do you like tea? Yes, I drink tea every day. Oh, well, that's great. When I wake up, a cup of tea every day. I really love matcha. What kind of tea do you like? Oh, I like honey green tea. It's pretty cool. Oh, I've tried it before. It is amazing. You should try black tea. Do you want to try black tea? Pause of the role play, asking questions, right? If you do this well, he or she really like to talk with you because you dig in his or her hobby. Remember this, caring and talking about their hobbies, not just your hobby. If you want to talk about your hobby more, then make it relate to their hobbies. If you like drinking tea and she likes drinking coffee, well, comparing tea and coffee at the same time. Like, is it tea better than coffee? And I know this is not for everyone. This trick is very powerful, but it's not for everyone. I know it. Even if you have many techniques and you are a confident person, well, you may have a lot of relationships. But I will give you a powerful technique to master a confidence skill. If you feel stressed or overwhelmed when approaching someone, then rub your palm. Just rub your palm for a few minutes. I promise you will feel better. And here is a quick tip. Your confidence improves day by day, not overnight, brick by brick, until you feel nothing when approaching someone. I know it's very hard. And if you dare yourself a challenge to hone the skill, well, 100% you will become successful. Let's bottom line of this video. Your net worth equals your network. I'm Louis. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, this video and comment below about your thoughts and share this video to your friends and colleagues, and hope this video will help them out of this situation. And thanks. See you soon.